Hello everyone and welcome back to the Science Hub. Today we are going to learn about history of fingerprints. First, Niemeyer Grew. One of the earliest known European publication of fingerprint observation was offered in 1684 by him. He wrote on the form and uses of pores of the skin of hands and feet. Marcello Malfigi. He studied the patterns of finger bulb and their functions and morphology of the skin. His research work was such an outstanding importance that one of the layer of human skin bears his name, Malpighian layer. Thomas Bewick. In 1809, he wrote a book, Wood Engravings of Fingerprint Pattern, named as British Birds. He included microscopic pores on the summit of the ridges. He was one of the first to recognize the individuality of a finger mark. Johannes Evangelist Purkinje. He was a professor of physiology. He submitted a Latin thesis for a doctor of medicine. In his thesis, he named 9 standard types of fingerprint patterns and vaguely outlined the method of classification. The 9 patterns were the transverse curve, the central longitudinal stripe, the oblique stripe, the oblique loop, the almond whorl, the spiral whorl, the ellipse, the circle and the double whorl. Sir William Herschel. He was the first person to use fingerprint for the identification purpose in India. In 1817, he instituted the taking of pensioners' fingerprint so that the pension could not be collected by an impostor. He also began the fingerprinting of criminals. In 1880, he published a letter about his experience with fingerprinting. In 1916, he published an account of his work entitled The Origin of Fingerprinting. Dr. Henry Falls. In 1880, he published a report showing methods of taking fingerprints and discussing the various directions of the study to which fingerprints may lead. He suggested that the skin-rich patterns is important for the identification of criminals. He solved the theft case on the basis of fingerprint because in that case the thief has left his fingerprint on the wall. Falls was convinced that fingerprint furnished infallible proof for the identity. He was the first person to suggest the most valuable idea of identifying criminals from fingerprint found at the crime scene, which is playing an important role in the study of scientific criminal investigation. Sir Francis Galton. In 1892, he published a textbook, Fingerprint, which was the first book of its kind on the subject. In his book, he discussed about the anatomy of fingerprints and offered practical methods for recording them. He divided fingerprint patterns into 3 groups that were the arch, whorl and loop. In 1893, he published the book Decipherment of Blurred Fingerprints. Francis Galton proved 3 facts that were the rich patterns on the friction skin remains permanent throughout the life. Fingerprints are permanent throughout the life. Then second, their variety must be in such that each person's prints constitute unique characteristics. Fingerprints are unique. Then third, it was essential to devise a system of classification that would permit for determining whether or not a special set of patterns was that of a person who has been registered previously. His system of classification was known as ALW method, that is arch, loop and whorl method. He is considered as a father of fingerprint. Dr. Jan Vesetich. His classification system refined over the years and is still used in most of the Latin countries. He collected a file of fingerprint record which was the largest of its kind in the world. Sir Edward Henry. He was the first person who used the classification system of fingerprints in India. He published his textbook Classification and Uses of Fingerprints. In his system of fingerprint classification was universally adopted after the 4 years of publication. Henry's system of classification replaced the anthropometric system of Bertillon. Two Bengali officers that were Khan Bahadur Azizul Haq and Rai Bahadur Hemchandra Bose played very important role in the development of fingerprint classification system by assisting Henry. Henry modified Galton's ALW system and classified fingerprint patterns into 4 groups that were the arch, loop, whorl and the composite patterns. Harry Batley. He devised the single fingerprint system of registration. His single fingerprint classification system is being used in many countries of the world today. Thank you.